Both Pixel 6a and Nothing Phone 1 have become famous to a great extent because of Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. And both these phones are going to be available in the sale at huge discounts. You will get the Pixel for just Rs 21,000, whereas the Nothing Phone 1 will cost you Rs 24,000. So is the Pixel 6a a better choice, or should you go for the Nothing Phone 1? Well, this is what I am going to tell in today's video. Let's start without any delay. First of all, let's talk about your questions. So which one heats more? Whose camera is better? If we talk about the question of whose performance is better, then first of all, we talk about heating, and there is a clear-cut answer in this. The Nothing Phone 1 heats less. In terms of heating, there are two reasons behind this. The chipset of Nothing Phone 1 is different from that of Pixel 6a. Firstly, this is an all-in-one mid-range chipset and one nearly flagship chipset, so one comes close to Snapdragon 870 and one comes slightly below Snapdragon 870. Both the phones perform very well. And the Phone 1 is more cooler than the Pixel 6. But at the same time, 6a has more AI cores than Nothing Phone 1, which helps in many tasks. So this was the first question. Now second question. Let's talk about the display. And in terms of display, the display of Nothing Phone 1 is better. For very simple reason here, you get high refresh rate. You get a beautiful screen, and it is symmetric, which is better in comparison to Pixel 6a, where the bezel seems a bit outdated. Along with this, if I talk about the build and design, then there is a little problem in the build on the back panel of Pixel. There are more scratches here, where if you talk about Nothing Phone 1, then its glass is also very good. There is never much damage in the front either, but on its side it falls very quickly. And one thing I would definitely like to say is that if you have ordered a Nothing phone, then when its box arrives, open it carefully, because that box is made in such a way that many people can open the box, and the box drops the phone as soon as you open the box, including... But anyway, let's talk about the performance and the system. So let's talk about different things here. The first thing people doubt is that brother Nothing Phone 1 also comes with largely stock Android, with some customization, and the Pixel comes with pure stock. Which one will be better? So look, if you have to use the phone for long term, you don't have any problem with the basicness of the Pixel OSE, then go for Pixel 6a only. Now let me also tell you the reason behind this. Look, having Pixel 6a is going to provide more long-term support, and compared to Nothing Pixel, people give you new software very quickly. Yes, but if you like customization, you like some interesting new looks, then you can go for Nothing Phone, because you will get those extra things there. If you talk about performance, I will talk about performance. When you talk about video encoding, video decoding, or video editing, photo editing, then Pixel 6a works better. Nothing Phone is not far behind in its comparison. But because Pixel 6a has AI core, all these things are a little faster in comparison to Nothing Phone, but in performance. There is one place where I found Nothing Phone 1 better. The one thing it does better with is games. It's your all-in-all choice when it comes to gaming. The complete experience of Nothing will be better on the phone in comparison to Pixel 6a, so you have to decide if productivity is important, then go for Pixel 6 only. If productivity is not important and games are important, then take the Nothing Phone or any IQO phone which I have given in the description. It will be better. Now let's talk about the camera. Many people have asked him whether I should buy a camera phone or a Nothing Phone, so it is a simple matter. You know it. And I also know that Pixel 6a has won awards for its photography quality. The phone can be taken directly with the eyes closed. Take it with Pixel 6a. If you also have to take a video, take Pixel 6a. Computational photography is better there than Nothing Phone. See, Nothing Phone 1 is a new player in the market. They have not yet given much time to optimization because they have not released that many phones. In comparison, when you talk about the sensor of Pixel, it is so optimized that when Pixel 7 was new, it captured better photos than Pixel 7. So you need to understand 6a has a highly optimized sensor, and when you take a photo, the quality is amazing. Along with this, you also get more camera options. Which is much better? Right now, let's talk about charging where things take a turn a bit. There is a slight change in the matter of even battery where the battery of the Nothing phone actually lasts better than the Pixel 6. After all, if you don't use the glyph lights much, if you keep playing with lights for whole day, then the Nothing Phone 1 will die very quickly. But if you don't play with the glyph light that much, and you have to use the Nothing Phone as much as you do with the Pixel 6, then the Nothing Phone is a little better in battery. With this, the charging speed of the Nothing Phone reaches 45 watts, where you get only 18 watts in Pixel. According to me, Nothing Phone is a little better in terms of charging and battery life. Now, this is my experience. You can share your experiences below. Let's talk after this in the comments. Now, which one is finally worth it? Okay, so there are two directions in this. If you are a person who likes no-nonsense phones and doesn't care about features like glyph lights and monochrome, anyone who wants a phone that is dependable, up-to-date, and long-lasting, that too for just Rs 21,000. Get Pixel 6a. But if you want a phone that gives you the best combination of everything, meaning that phone won't be the best in everything, but by combining all the things it will become the best, meaning in everything. And overall it is very good. If you want such a phone, then you can buy a Nothing phone. I am saying this because I have made an understanding of this phone by making a comparison in the sense of, when you look at Pixel 6a, it does a really good job at one thing. The butt lets loose in other things. When you look at the Nothing Phone 1, nothing really stands out. But when you look at it collectively, that phone becomes a very good choice. Along with this, I have a personal preference that I like the optimization of Nothing and Nothing OS, meaning I use their Nothing Phone 2 and use their Nothing Phone 1. I haven't found any actual noticeable difference between the two. I definitely wanted to highlight this one thing that was very surprising. Please comment and let me know which are the other phones about which you have doubts. I can tell you about the things that I have reviewed. Please do comment about those phones. Remember, if you liked the video and are still here, then please ensure that you will subscribe. It does not cost you money, but it is good for the channel. Thanks.